States, Canada, UK. Yeah man, we soon man. Big up yourself, you know. Respect Karen. Big up yourself, Karen. Enough love, Karen, yeah? Yeah man. And people, so soon give them back Pastor Ricketts, man. I want to say, soon get a little piece more Pastor Ricketts. It's not that Pastor Ricketts not too, I'm not saying not too like the video thing, but I try to convince him, you know? Yeah man. Because the word of God can't be bought to the people, so check in what I'm going. We go closer. Let's see what I'm going. See, Godfrey, where I tell the people them say now?
Jano, Jamaica, not them best. Now they can set up the fire. I fix up some fire stick. So, cause the people today are going epic, you know. See the rod man them out there, so there. You see me? Yeah, see the rod man them out there, so there. I set up the rod them, the people. So, stay tuned today, are going epic, and we are the pack them there, so. Yeah, in the bag there, so. And greater. So, water buckle them. Now we just set up the fire.
We are up on the seaside, peeps, so we are cooking on the cliffside.
Yeah.
I call it on a cliffside cooking, cliffside setting.
When I tell my people, so we can have them best TV. My brother, officially, long time, the people, you know where I grew up from, day one. So you tell me what I want.
People look on the view, put it. We ought to see that, you know. Yeah, man, see. General over there, so I get the fire stick them ready. Yeah. Breeze kind of heavy, people, but still there, so stick and stay, watch out, man. Somebody there, right, that's some peeps. I line up a nice fishing right there, so if you can join 1 5 pound or 1 7 pound snapper there, 1 grouper. Catch one big enough fish with us throw him on the grill. So we have JJ Adventure TV, they have stream of people as well. So we can see another diver in the water, but our eyes, you have general right there, so you have the reef out there, so fish water, box from the reef. And when you have the bait them in the bucket. People are so sure of themselves, but me that behind the camera right now, kind of this is still. I get the equipment some sort out. Everybody are doing. Like you see the people, so check in and watch out. And hear the water people, the waves are deep and that. So the water pretty. Yeah, people that's come on Jamaica and check in and get some of the nice clean warm water. Right now Canada be snow, you know. America snow, you know. Looking nice guys. Right around here we have this people. That would be grateful. This is the time people. So people find a nice little spot. Right, that's how we are going to cook. So we now want to make no fireside, just create one for the people. So we use right here, so set the pot there so and go and cook. All in one in a piece we are cooking, you see me? Some dreadnought in it. We have a cabbage, we have cock soup, we have everything. Onion, we have pepper. Yeah, and we have the table right here, so nice wood table, peeps. Yeah, this is the table. And the ocean view right behind me. As you can see. We have the ocean view. So take a good look, people, as far as I can see. Blue sea. I say people in food sick, you know, watch I'm still I carry stone, you know, people.
Alex, come up to the jacket.
Yeah?
I'll go catch the jacket. What's up?
Alright. Do the watch, man.
You know, I straight think of the one here, so I'm not going to use.
Set.
The people change their plan.
Yeah,
Seems like alright, that's a fireside, I got to catch up. So, the breeze kind of strong enough, peeps, so I'll be here with me, please. strong today we chose around here, but and they no wrong. I got over there for people and we have to give God thanks for everything where we have, how far we are come from. Yeah man. I mean I say big up Jonah Lifestyle of fishing for people. Yeah man, and Tata and family. Yeah people, Tata Adventure TV. Yeah people, bless up yourself. D&G, big up yourself on the general, Corey Boy. Mr. Lifestyle, big up yourself on the general. You boss yourself on everyone in Mr. Lifestyle. Someone you watch a video of Mr. Lifestyle and tell me what you think about it. Yeah man. A long time I'm not checking the God being of people. So I have to check in to them, make them see what go on. And now we are running one pot that's all with everything in one. With some dreadnought, some dumpling, yeah, and some spinners or what you want to call it. Yeah man, so you go back over here so with the adventure there. Let's see what I go on. This is the fireside and the boat. What you did now, my general?
I put on the hook and up and sleep.
Okay, man, put on the hook on the sleeve, people.
Yeah. Put on the bait, you know, follow the food, you know. So you see there, the sleeve this. See the thing set? Okay. Right. I already put on the food, you know, if you go look for the fish.
Alright, people, check it. One hook in my use in a paper. One hook, you hear that, babes? One hook in my use. The Indian, one hook I use are two fish I bring up one time.
The original thing we call is squid.
Wow, babes, squid this in a babes. Wow, top bait. That is it. And the people, so. Sometimes the big ones of them are rolling with people. Yeah man, check in and watch what I want. I know I left them and go look some water and bring out some people, so check in some people. While fireside and them there, you know. Fireside catch up. Soon so I know I'm gonna buy fireside people. People are beer breeze out of beer breeze. I tell the mic. See it away. People bring it now about 8 pounds. Ready to go to the peeps. There's so much line there, so many people. Bucky there, so there's a bait tonight. Generally, I cut up in bait over there, so yeah man, stay tuned. Jamaican and Best TV. Check in with people. Watch what I go. Knowledge is power in the people, remember that. Yeah people, check in and watch what I go on. Yeah man, so there we're outside. I do the right thing people, we are do the right, people, we are do the right. As you can see there, I do the right, not the wrong. So more upon the fishing, line them set. And I get ready for show over there now my people, check in and watch what I go and watch it. Ready up here now. Alright, so JJ Adventure TV right now people. I saddle up. I get ready up. Catch what I go on. Outside. So I go by fireside people see what I'm going on. People are all this in the kitchen.
Yeah man. Now talk up in the kitchen though.
Cha. Give them something up here. Give them something on my general. You know say I'm not chefing alone a day.
I'm going to tell you, them people say, don't need to be a problem with shit. I don't think I want because I want to buy for them and too bad for them. We don't go there so. We go over here so. Yeah. Start up, tell them Jamaica, take it away because we still in the kitchen.
Alright people, so Then in the kitchen I get the thing them ready up.
Active,
Yeah, man, so we have water there to wash on. We have the soap for sure, so we clean people.
we chop with the detergent.
Yeah, man, we have the
Chop with the
Axial,
detergent, you
wash
know?
the plate.
Yeah, man. Big up
Make sure
Oxy,
some
guys.
clean things we are
Big
doing
up
down
Oxy,
there.
guys.
People check in how much
Nice style thing, you know? Nice, we have getting things in print up, guys. We got a ball, you know? Ball, I'm okay. We do the right thing.
See that people are tempting
Yeah,
people.
man, the people active, you know?
People that mind the breeze to the end of the fire ready and active up and everything.
Put it there, so now.
Yeah.
Put it there, so. Put it there, so. The fake up and everything, yeah? Alright.
So that's what we have in there. Bag. So I go see what I have in your bag there, Mr. Godfrey as well. Yeah, we can see what I go. Remember we have to wash it and go on there. So we see what I go on the bag now. That's the Nook Snacks. Yeah, that's the cock soup. Spin it around and say for the grace or the mag. Spin it round and say if you are a grace or a mag. Alright people, see it then now. Wow. Yeah, we see what our grace. A roaster no good people. Yeah, the roaster no good people. See the soap mix roaster no good. We have scallion over time. We have a banana. Nice pretty pumpkin over there, some people. We have one ivy.
We have one little something here, so you know.
Walkers.
Yeah.
Walkers zone. Wow. People, we have to throw that tonight, see you make it good taste. That is it. So we have two dreadnought.
Yeah.
What? Dreadnought? People, you know what that means?
Yeah,
I want them dumpling in the people.
we have
head of garlic.
Put up in it, you know. We have natural green pepper. We have a plantain. Yeah. See that for people?
Yeah.
Alright. Stay tuned. You want to come out of the bag. Wait, what's up in the Jamaica? We have a flour. Cement. We have a potato.
Potato, people. What mad in idea, yeah?
Alright, and we have the onion. And
See the
have
onion there. And we carrot, the people.
alongside the Irish.
And we Irish.
Just knock some
All in one people we have cook. All in one.
Cabbage in it. So stay
Yeah,
tuned
man,
for this
all
for
in
people.
one.
It's gonna be a
That
fun.
not going night enough people. That I just say when you feel peckish.
Big snap.
Yeah. And so we cook them there. And we have whole heap of water.
Yeah.
Wash up back and clean up back.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the fire there so.
That is it, my people.
People, I taste him and I tell you go on, the big chef in the kitchen over there so you know man.
Knowledge.
Remember go check him up on TikTok you know people. Give him the support and the strength I need to help him growing up people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man. And I worry yourself, him soon start him channel where him have him song them on it officially. So now worry yourself people. Charlie not the making. I want to tell the people in favor for forever hidden beauty, you know. I want them to find twin. Yeah, I want them to find twin. I want them to find twin with people. So water go on along with people. So we are cook.
Hello, listen, respect. My channel name Godfrey Osborne. You can check out Jamaican at the best TV.
People checking out what you are going over here. So, big chef and your kitchen with people. Yeah, that is it. We should not go start there now. What? Line and throw down as a people. Check in and watch what you are going. Yeah, babes. Line and throw down this up. Man say one hook him and use on a peeps, one hook. Like outside, find some darkness, so Daddy done rig up already. We have one visit of people. Yeah, something you see on here. Sun soon weather up at 2. That's why people look on the seaside, just straight back. So that pretty place. Still a rig up in line. Sprat in my use peeps. Big boss, yeah.
I go back to basic school there.
Nothing I go on there. White people them say nothing I go on yet. You are one. I say run and I work in a peak, so as I can see my bike, I'm going to online it out. Yeah man, I'm going to online it out people, so we'll see if we're more lucky with the online or the run, we'll see what I'm going. And switch over there so them people, because the switch there start ringing, you know, say fish in the pond. You see what I'm going, yeah man. And that's breakfast up on the fireside. Oh, Karen, big up yourself in a Karen. Yeah, man. Have a nice day. See you, Karen. But I like a video of Karen and share it over with a friend, them, you know? And then, when you come eat some yam off of the farm, too, you know, Karen. Yeah, man, anytime I drop to Jamaica, I gotta bring up on the farm, make you eat some yam off of it. Yeah, because yam supposed to plant. Yeah, man, yam plant over there. New moon gone, round leaf, you know them they are going long. Yeah, them they not run good on here, them not go swell round. Because we planned them before. You understand what I mean? Yeah, man. That's a catch free and swatch over there some people. Why the breeze kind of strong in the mud. I try my best people, I work with my people, just us work with me, please and thanks with people. The chef up the saw, wash up him man, I get everything clean out and how it's supposed to be done. Yeah, man. So with the back in the kitchen again and people see, I got the utensils them clean. Yeah, that is why we sure said no hanky panky business people. Alright. Serious food and a serious thing we are dealing with people, sanitization. Yeah man. That is it my people. Yeah. Water, food. When you have a wicked inside, check you my people and tell me what I'm going. I'm so much done this, so I got rid of on the wave the people. Carrying a long time, I see them waving, and that's true. Out there, be a snow up there, and carrying. I know you want to touch down and come get some of the warmness. Come eat some of the yam off of the farm. Yeah, man. You know, I guess some bamboo, some river. Yeah, we get some jungle and all them things. The soldier church in the line here. Big. Fireside and my people. I'm active outside. So. New adventure come out, people. Check here, man. Jamaica like the best there. Big boss there. Right here. You sit back there, people. Yeah, man. Yeah. You don't know. Thing are merry people, thing are nice, quick and fast, easy, but Jamaican. Alright, daddy a short people line the people. Daddy a short him line there. Yeah. Some people tell me what I want now. Well, team, what they are working, breeze a blow hard, not sure. Alright people, so this will check in back. Yeah.
Trying to do the right thing out here. Cooking up a one pot. Greater coconut
people,
with a one noodle. And
some
cook the
visitors
food in
stop
it.
by.
Spread the
Check in
vibration,
for our
yeah.
You know what? Small teams become big teams.
True.
They work good. And they remember that they're a team.
True, mom.
You know what I'm saying?
That's good.
Yeah, that's easy, you know. Alright, let's go. See?
So let me see the kitchen.
Man, yeah, natural grater, you know.
Come on, feed, you know. That's interesting. We have.
Yeah. Catch a couple fish, eat a couple food.
Yeah, man, YouTube live, you know?
Yeah,
We
man,
have it
yeah, man,
live.
the
It's
live
about-
and direct.
It's about live.
Yeah, man.
So people check in for our
So we stop
Yeah.
gentlemen is in the lab, cooking up some Ital food.
See what I want.
Banana. See some yam there.
This is the country over here, man. Over here we have the banana. You know, it's getting a type of stuff.
Yeah, man. See the statue I hide over there.
Well, I know
Wait.
over here, sir. We are spice it up over here, sir. Yeah, you know the garlic, so the Jamaican.
Yeah.
Now we have a piece in the pan pepper, come here, man, about the pepper. You see the pepper here? Yeah, man, I'm going to spice up the pot. See it? You understand? No, we great carrot, there's the bunny rabbit, the lion, you don't know.
Hey people check in. Big chef in the kitchen. This is it, my people. See that? So we have some visitors here too. Yeah, some nice subscribers here.
Now we talk about potato when I we go back to the next one. Yes, we know this is great Irish potato. And the soup is spicy and nice. Now when we say fruit and vegetable, come back over here again. We got another vegetable. Great cabbage. Yeah, man, and today now you see the plant
Good for your
there.
stomach.
Right, you know what I'm
Digestive. Alright.
Plan it here, higher.
So now we have it ripe and we have it green, but right now we have the green one today. Yeah, man.
All kind of things.
Well, I know we don't talk about that one here where they call the yam yet, you know. Yes.
What you call that?
Them call that one here, what again, God says, God.
Renta yam.
The rent yam, otherwise it's great Barbie. Me don't know you.
Barbie.
Yes, well, alright, so we have two names, the renter, good old renter yam, bush yam, them call it. Not some people gone. Not clearing that, you see? This yam, when this yam grow like this.
Same boat.
Yeah, no.
Aye, make it strong.
We are talking about
It's our top of power.
well, it could be. It could be. I don't know, but
Shelly, yeah.
Fraser, yeah. We are Jamaican, all
Yeah, man,
Jamaican.
yeah, man.
Bring it here.
Bring it up.
It works. So we create things good. You know, say if you are cook soup or
Flour.
the main
Aye.
ingredients.
Some dumplings.
That's the main.
Yeah, we have some rooster noodle, you know?
Yeah, the spinach.
Yeah, man.
And some of my people them like the cartwheel, you understand?
Yeah.
The cartwheel. Yeah, you have some people like the cartwheel. You see the cartwheel now? Some people when they tell them the two cartwheel them feel alright.
You know, that's a little one today and all it.
Spinners, that's spinners today, man.
Alright, that's some little one. We know how to make the film. We still have a coconut and plate over one corner.
Yeah. And we get the water, right?
The water right there.
Right at the
Yeah, man,
spring.
natural, good and natural.
Yeah.
How the
Good
water? From the state families. You know, Mother Nature.
No man, no woman do that over there, so we have to just live with it and accept it. Yeah. Running water, life, running in everything, alright? That is it.
Just like the moon.
Jamaican have them best people. Where is it?
So you see,
We have
we do
special
things
guests
sanitary,
today.
see washing
Look at that.
coconut.
Which is right, because, because we just have to create a water that go along that all right. Yeah, so you have to do it, you have to keep the thing clean. Remember, it's all about health, you know.
That's
And you have to take care of your health. You understand? Whatever you put
Yeah.
inside, huh?
That's what you
It
get
becomes
out.
healthy and it becomes not healthy. So, whichever way you take it, you put the one that you need inside. The healthy one or the unhealthy one, but I recommend the healthy one. Yeah. Alright.
Knowledge of power. You
Look
see?
like the same time now.
From South, from Zion Hill.
Good idea.
Respect.
Alright.
Respect.
Okay.
Try what you do there, you know?
That's safe travel.
I praise.
Bless up there.
Alright. And that DEM.
Say it again.
That's Jamaican at them. DEM Best TV.
Jamaican
Right. And then if you get a part of when we start greater the coconut over here, so because because we that's the good old Jamaican style, you know, we don't bother to blend it, we grate it from natural, yes,
Coconut milk.
right,
Start in the video.
yeah, after,
So this is how we make coconut milk. Old fashioned. So you grate the coconut. It's a labor of love.
Yeah.
I know people do it in the blender and do it quickly, but this guy is a labor of love.
Yeah, you have to
So
have
he works with his hands.
a bit of patience to it.
Yes, and he's patient.
As you can see it going down, right?
Yes, yes. Are you made it yourself?
Jamaican style,
Yeah, look at that. So what you have, like a piece of metal,
Yeah.
and then you use nails to
Just punch the hole.
punch the holes.
So
Look at that.
to get the sharp edge on
Hey,
here.
that's creative, man. Yes, nothing can stop you.
No, we have to.
Nothing can stop you.
Alright, people, we just push out the fire.
All right, gentlemen.
Okay, you
Alright, take care.
Yes, you guys.
Peace. Safe travel.
Greater this cabbage.
I hope to see
Alright.
you all again another time,
Yes,
man.
we see each other.
Okay.
We always stop.
Okay. The people, so got some brand new socks. Yeah. That is it. Yeah, man, them here now, them are going now, people. They're going to stop by to tell you hi. Yeah, so we have got for them.
Big up Jamaica and the best TV. That was a moment, you know, I love. Yes, the people check in. That was a moment I love. So check in with people and support the
Get that
channel and, you know,
Yeah,
tell
man.
me sound the life.
Yeah, man,
what
get
want.
that there, man.
See that for people.
Yeah, man.
Respect. Yeah, man. Alright, so the people we at Roselle. Yeah, Roselle. Waterfall, beautiful place for people. Show them the fall Jamaica. How much power? You have to regular out here so you can always pass and stop and have your show.
That is a fall because we are went to catch the water earlier. As you can see, people are not there bed. So we can't too show you too much of that now export the one, right? Come back again now, people say. JJ Adventure, we're still in the kitchen. We're in the kitchen page.
Doing some cooking.
What am I saying? Doing a lifestyle food, that's how you live good. Doing a lifestyle. You got yourself, you know, Father Junior. You know you got enough Father Asbury with there already, so we have to big up Father Junior. Lifestyle and Adventure TV people. Yeah, man. I got to big up Color Smith, same way, you know, that we can't let you out, you know. Yeah, man.
No time.
Can't let you out, no time. We can't let you out.
Do that lifestyle. You do that. Jamaica vibe. Move our family.
Tata Adventure.
That's alright.
I mean, that is it,
That's why
people.
we have to go to
Check
try,
in.
because we soon check in.
Make
with
you
all
and
our
stretch
youth
to, you know,
over
people,
there.
we don't forget
Yeah,
them,
man.
you know.
Yeah, man. Big up every youth out there, man.
That is it.
I said me in our kitchen too much.
So everything good, man, so.
I like
Coconut are great out people.
Yeah,
That
man.
are sexy, yeah man, look nice, eh? Yeah man, everything are going good over there. I go back to check in with the fisherman them and see what I go on one last
Right.
time. Right. 1, 2, 1, yeah,
Well, we have the problem with the fish, them, you know.
Oh,
So
the
we're
lambs.
picking up our line with the stones.
Oh,
That's not
we have a
nice of the
push in there.
fisherman. When it comes to stealing, they have sinkers and all manner of things.
Yeah, daddy have put up some spot over here people.
You must not put it along there.
And that me I tell you, father, I say, you know, you don't throw nothing out there, say anything when we get you grateful. We feel like through this tournament, I say, when I get out some dark pig snap on them things.
Yes, no problem, but I'm the same way.
You're pushing him back in line. We have some dive out there and I water the people. Them there. The back of the people, yeah. Dive of them there. Yeah, my people, stay tuned and watch what go on. And they load the bottom pan, go throw out again.
We'll test him again.
Yeah, I mean to tell you, I realize. Yeah.
Blessed, my brother. Up and running.
People.
The man in the kitchen now go and come with you, man.
Get you. So we have another guest people. Another guest. Royal Bar Stores. The people. They wanna drop a yard. One go around. See there? Royal Bar Stores people. Sure.
Poland, St. Thomas, Fenton, anyway, airport, drop off, pick up.
Yeah.
You hear that people? Anywhere at all. So you know I must have on Instagram to people. So alright, Royal Bar. Alright people, so check him out.
You mean Royal to enjoy it?
J.A.
Me said just check him out. Anyway you weak, you just check out Royal to J.A. Me said check him out. We start there, tell them, say, right on the spot. Yeah man, just quick call. Yeah man, WhatsApp. Yeah.
876
Uh-huh.
872 5905.
Alright, have it black.
876 872 59.
Right,
Tell them
alright.
what you say, you take me on that channel. I got it.
Royal Bar Store.
Royal Bar Store.
Poland.
Alright.
Poland, St. Thomas, Fenton, anywhere you want. That's it. So we provide security and driver.
All inclusive package.
All inclusive package.
See?
Don't deal.
Yeah man. And see you get another part-time package with well sealed. Seal deal.
One link.
Alright.
Alright people. Jamaica not them best TV.
Yeah man, you know say we almost finished though we are gonna cut it, you know.
Let's see what I go on people. Rich.
Sharp Jamaica. Viewers, we say create a sharp, careful in the car, just a finger and create a normal. Yeah, and you know what is create a tell nothing left. You see? Alright. You could have created some more. But I want to show you that them size I come from to that size.
The people we are almost finished. So when I want to boil out the water, we can take off the pot off the fire a little bit.
And the water there, it's going to squeeze the
Coconut. Yeah, so the warm water
Yeah, man, you
people
go and
make
get
all
all
of the
of
milk.
Get all of the milk outside.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you're everything up.
Jamaican at them there. Jamaican hot. Yeah, I see that rasta up on the front. Hold on, man. Babes, JJ there. So what go on there, water, JJ? Nothing bite.
Fish them I eat the knife and fork.
Alright.
Later going, but me not feel no pick.
Alright.
Yeah, man, all
Yeah,
type
people
of stuff,
see
but
pot,
wait,
yeah.
The pot nearly look good enough, man.
Yeah, when I pack them, sorry, whenever you
Yeah,
couldn't
man.
get to see what going on, pot people. Check out Godfrey Osborne channel and check out JJ Adventure TV. You will see everything we're going, people. You see what I'm going?
We're live, you know, my people. So
Nice.
only activity are going to take place for our live, you know. That's what I'm dealing with. Ramon Walker. Yo, bro, I'm a kid. Give you the
Chef there.
drive with
Well, what
the bus.
time?
Yo, from Portland, big up Ramon Walker.
Ramon Walker, big up yourself, big up yourself, so people. Ramon Walker. Hope you see, watch for your comment to the Ramon Walker. Yeah, man. Jamaica, them best a big up Ramon Walker. Yeah, man. Special time out, Ramon Walker, big up yourself.
You get flavor out
Yeah,
of your
man.
pumpkin, though.
Pumpkin and mash out the people.
Flavorable.
See that
Yeah,
today?
man, yeah, man. From Portland. Same way, my brother, man. From Portland. God for not forget, man.
See
Like up the
side
life
of
for
the
me, the
people.
people as gonna come. Please and thanks.
Yeah,
Long
yeah,
time God
yeah.
for having me live. So you are gonna get a lot of activity today, my people, honestly. So just like up the life for me, please and thanks, honestly. Yeah, man. Up move, Ramon. Up move, honestly. Up move, Ramon. Blessings and respect for checking. Long time we not link up. So my brother Jamaica, that the best TV there. Long time we have come from far.
Yeah, man. Far people
How the
check
pot
in,
look,
see the
people?
people,
How
and me
the
and
pot
Marshall
look?
the
How the
fire,
pot
you know.
look? How the pot look? I want pot, you know.
Yeah,
some
Marshall the
coconut
fire.
soup, you know, and thing, you know.
Yeah,
Cabbage
fire.
and then something there cut up in there, thrown away, chef
For your
and
people,
one.
look. A lot back in pot here now. Sit down, follow me in the pot cover hot.
See where chef up there.
Yeah, so I visit my peeps, go and check in and make everything go and boil them and simmer out. Still have cabbage over there. So the water there, keep it clean. Sanitize, we have to work and sanitize there. So the table there.
Chef a natural pot, we don't see no salt. See, we have one little spoon and take out and take it
People you know what going on. We left the salt.
Right on the Roselle waterfall.
Alright, either way. We are working with one. So people check in on the pot. So we show them what going. Yeah.
Pick up self to Ramon. Pick up yourself to
There's some of them out there, so they go on easy back and wait for the food. Yeah. I'm going to try to catch fish here. Want a line with them, want a rod with them set people. And man, we have JJ right here, so. Yeah, people, so. As you can see with there, you know what I try. People want to like up the video and share what the video. If you want to support, please, I ask some people. Yeah, man. All the new viewers, we soon in the new viewers, we see all our new people. Yeah, man. Karen, yeah, man. Big up yourself. All our yeah, that is it, peeps.
Today is a no salt day. See? So you have to cook this pot with spice, with the cool spice. So no salt.
Yeah, man, the kitchen are going with
What you want? You can flip it up.
Yeah, man.
What's that seaside with there now?
Yeah, man.
So we need some flour now,
Right on the live, same way. See pot of bubble there. Wicked pot of bubble there. Alright. Yeah man, welcome to the live my people. Like up the live for me now, please and thanks. Give the live a thumbs up my people. Yeah man. There are 5 people watching and only 2 likes. So the people, yeah man, they just some likes on the live, please and thanks. Can't get more supporters on the live. Yeah, honestly. Yeah man, they just some likes.
So you need up a flower, you know, people.
Make sure it's you made the ingredients that we tell you, go in a pot.
Yeah man, that's a
And
love.
it's the last, you know?
That is it.
My God. People that jump off my life, I want them gone.
You know, so we don't want to spoil the flower here, though.
Yeah, so we
Spoil the
have
flower
to
here, no problem, you know.
see what I go on people, because we know nothing to make it tight, if we make it too soft. So you have to do it just right.
Welcome to the live, real life. I want to go link up and do some adverts.
Everyone will say, well,
Eh?
A real life to this thing, my brother, from back Canada there. You know what I mean?
Pick up yourself, real life.
Yeah, Jamaica, them best TV.
It's a real life TV, pick up yourself, friend. Yeah man. You want to adventure TV, pick up yourself. On the roadside, we ain't no people, see that? Right on the side of a cliff. Yeah. Seaside, see there. Yeah, up on the reef, that's a reef, that's the one.
alright, this can't spoil again, you know.
No people see there. So we almost don't need it
Come
now.
on. There goes, sir. Come on, ready again, huh?
Chef, that's enough people. See man, ring him.
You do it so easy, every pop off.
Yeah
Easy, every
man.
make go in a pot. You pop off a piece of the world. One flower that, you know.
You
Alright.
pull off the top, huh?
Yeah, man. So, give the pot a stir. Watch me now.
Alright, we are give pot a store, peeps.
Pot a stir. That's what you reach, you know.
See that people, pumpkin, Irish, thyme, scallion, pepper, renta yam. See all the carrot the people, so the pumpkin mash out tonight people, get a nice color.
Right now, what may I do? I make some way for the flour them to go in the pot. So, some of them mash out. Make them mash out and become soup.
And then the chef has to wear mad.
I mean, if you see what going on, that's what go on.
The chef is cooking a dark. Jamaica, them alright, the chef has 2 rice dishes. That's the heard.
The people, I'm finna make it now, go in the pot.
Yeah, people. Jamaica, them best TV. Yeah, go over there and check out his channel. to that to people, honestly. There's a sense that TV over there and second channel. And you know we have natural friends. Welcome to my life, my people. We're out here. Yeah, and Roselle, we're out here at the Roselle waterfall. The waterfall.
There's a pot of bubble up in the people. Check
Yeah,
in.
how beautiful it is. Honestly. People stop on a full joy. So welcome to my life, my people. You have to come if you can give me a thumbs up, please, and thanks. Please and thanks. You can give me a thumbs up as you come to people. So, you know, welcome to my life. God prayers born. You know, the Jamaican at them get easy there. Yeah.
Yeah, people, as you can see, I dumpling that are going in the pot in my people. You know that, you know what that there? Coconut dumpling, coconut juice.
Dumpling man, I move flick and neat though.
Come on, yeah. You know, it's all about the food, you know.
Yeah, dumpling man, I move flick and neat. Go on. Like you did a train with Color TV of a boat like that.
Be roll and press.
Yeah.
People tell me I go and rate him skills, people. Rate him skills. Tell me what I go and put. This is what I go in the comment section.
Big up JJ Adventure. JJ Adventure. Big up to real life. Fully active over there. Yes, JJ. Big up, big up. Welcome to the live, JJ. Big up yourself, you know. Respect, respect. Same way, JJ.
People dumpling.
I only if we are making a career, making some
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yeah, man, I see what I go on, man.
Yeah, man.
You have
Big
to have
up,
this,
big
you know,
up,
because the
big
people
up.
don't want to see.
Welcome to my life, yeah man, thanks for the life, honestly.
Yeah,
this
people,
is
see
what
that.
we're going on with,
What I go
you
on.
know, we are at White Horses, as you can see, Roselle, yeah, waterfall, that's Jamaican at the best TV right here.
Yeah, people, check it in, people, subscribe, like, and share.
Alright, people.
I give you a thumbs up. Share out the live, people. Share out the live. Share out the live, people.
Share the life to people. Show.
So we are getting a spin on the pot.
Stop. Share the life.
Yeah, man, you have to turn.
We turn the pot and add more, people.
Yeah.
So that's pretty, beautiful. So that's beautiful, people.
Welcome to my life.
And I don't put in, I'm put some fire under the pot.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Get him
then
back up and running.
that is it.
But my bubble is up, you see my bubble is
Yeah, man, him still a bubble, man. See the people take a go away. Right? Still a bubble. Authentic.
Yeah, man, it almost look like a pie you make now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, don't get it wrong, don't get it twisted. Yeah.
Coconut at the people. Eh? Voilà.
So I'll check in with them, you know, but they're kind of busy around, so give them a little time. They still can't say anything you want to say, you know, in the comment section, in the chat. Yeah, man, I will reply.
Still I put dumpling in the pot, people.
Get it all, I don't put them out of this.
That is it.
With the ideal part, you know, everything in one in itself. And create a combination. The combination, you know.
Balance of everything, right? Forget to buy the salt, man.
How you say, man, consider cook and taste.
Nice, yeah, man. Yeah, because we have a jerk and the roaster seasoning that can be everything. You see that, babes? And roast him. See. who tell you? So that thick people could rich. Mm. You want to taste that, my people. Remember, me tell you. What I want? Who tell you?
See how that look creamy?
So it look like porridge people. Thick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got it now. We cover it for a while.
I make him see
Fire
man.
on it. Now we have some knickknacks and that we have to put in there. This is the main ingredients.
Yeah. After we finish seasoning my people, then you know say we're so ready for job. Yeah, put some fire on it now.
Still a roast. Put him back. It can burn.
Yeah, so the flour gone back
Yeah,
and
man,
roast.
that's a day where that will come out of the fire before the food come off. Guys. Him play unruly, and I know him name popcorn, but that's how it goes.
You see how I go on. So,
Alright, so we have to be main ingredients them now. You can wear your people off.
yeah, breeze the blow them.
And get them in the water and them float out, and we can get them back.
That-
With the breeze in the sea.
Well, I would have got 2 lines for them in
We
idea.
have to fish for them of course, it's a must. Alright, little bit of water, you have to remember, so we always keep it in clean paper. Yeah, what go on your belly. Yeah, either you contribute good to your health or you contribute bad to your health, but we have to contribute the good side today. See there? All the way to it, I mean, we encourage you to continue the good side all the way. Healthy diet, yeah, and good health. Yeah. Big time TV there, you know. Think of joke business. Yeah, you don't know it all already, we don't have to talk it, that's true.
Yeah.
Still have to highlight it because a part of it, whole process. We have to go through daily. And it's not a matter of daily, we have weekly, monthly, and the other part of what? Yearly?
Yearly, you see how I go on my
Yearly,
father.
brother.
Remember the musician listening to people, show some love to them people. Remember, go check him out.
So hold on now. We are going for the sweet pepper, remember say, it's a one pot. It's the ital pot. So we are going for fruits and vegetables. Yeah. Fruits and vegetables. So we mix up it. Yeah. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Remember can it detail say don't forget to mix the vegetable with the fruits?
No.
Yeah man, that's how the chef thinks here. So we never have no spirulina today, but
True enough.
yes. When God has burnt, they go the place and Magwan, I do it right because they know when flaggers are out, they know to do the
Right.
bright colors where they shine, yeah, and the grass stay green. Yes.
So Skelly and that people, we get the Skelly and together, yeah.
I'm going to tell about the main ingredients. The pot require the main ingredients right now. And you know, we can't do cover it up too much.
Yeah, people, it's soon ready, you know. Bubble it a bubble up for them. So it's thick people, look on that.
So we made the ingredients.
Thick, nice, sweet.
You can see finger licking already and it's already yet.
Oh my one.
Nice up and a spice up, you know.
Yeah, nice up.
Nice up.
Yeah.
Nice up and a spice up.
The people check in again.
My people, honestly. Everyone like a thumbs up when the breeze and taps, honestly.
Yeah, see, just subscribe to them, that's how people are going fishing, see, and watch your boy. Yeah, man,
They
that's
like
all
Queen of
I
people, Jamaican
Yeah,
accent.
man. I got Frasburn people, you see what I go.
That is it.
So check in with the people, give me about 2 more minutes there.
See that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man.
I'm going to add the time to the pot in the main time. Because they have any time.
Yeah, we have put time in the pot, so we have more time with the pot people.
Now we have another one where because that time we are going same time. And that's so we have like an X money. Reason why we make here flavor, extra powder.
So we put a one pepper. Yeah, we have a one scotch in there.
Still, you know, him is an informer, them call him.
Yeah, rooster noble people.
Because
Good old
informer,
rooster
as
noble.
far as you can turn for so many lists when you go in a pot, people. If your nose is good, if your nose work good, anytime this is going in a pot, you know how much a cock of strike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Alright. Alright, my
Something
people.
like that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
man.
I mean, time I take on down to size and now because, watch ya. We do it away, because what we do here, I do it official. Even though up on the seaside, we do the other one, no moving. So with onion, we start out with onion.
So I get the onion dice on my people.
Now something going in there, so.
Brother, brother, Elite. Big up yourself, Alex. Elite official, Elite Jamaica official channel. You see that? How you mean pass that transfer live. Big up yourself, my brother. How you mean teacher, everything you want, you know. The Jamaica not your best TV, Elite.
Respect my father, respect, respect.
Yeah,
Check
man.
him, man.
Georgia, Elite, Georgia, big up. Elite, big up.
See the people scotch here bubbling a pot, sweet pepper cut up. Look at that. Yes, no man. Knowledge of power in the people, look on that. I cook up some loving idea, your father.
Yeah, man. Eat that, bro. Right for the front over there with it. Welcome to my life, my people. If you like up the life with the please and thanks, you know. Give a like, a thumbs up. Yeah, see if you can get
Sweet
some
pepper, that you know, people. Yeah, man. Won't put in time, so we want skeleton, you know. Skeleton.
Both of them work together.
Yeah, man.
Both of them work together.
Yeah, man, honestly.
Now that pot that we have cook for the seaside here, nothing, no waste.
Nothing, nah, that's right.
See that? Great knowledge, you know. Fix up the one spot. See me? Yeah, man, coconut. See that? Let's go people, like.
So we are getting skeleton cut up people.
Hold on there. Big up. It's a good look. Respect, Alex. Respect. You see me? Fat, I love. I cook. You see me? I'm fat, I love. I cook up too. Yes, sir, JJ. That's a go on. How you mean? Elite. Yeah, man.
So,
You
yeah, as I can see.
Russell Fall, man. Yeah, man. Come just the right there and look for the fall, man. You see me? Right there, somebody look for the fall, you know. Yeah, man. They fight the want in the back row, you know. See there, you know. There's a jar. Come there, our family there, man. Welcome to my life, my people. We out here.
Alright.
Good
Now
cooking
that we
and
get rid of
food,
this, we go add in the ingredients,
Yeah.
and then we over to something else. You know?
Yeah, people look for the stir up with it.
Yeah, man, and that is Jamaica.
Ready
and
feed.
them TV.
Coconut dumpling. Nice. People right now, my belly just a and the phone not line yet. I want them to do to me, people.
If you have to subscribe, you can go ahead and click the subscribe.
Yeah, man, people, for all of my new viewers, them see me a set speed, you know. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And tell a friend that come to Jamaica, not them best TV, come get what? I tell shit. You know, we coconut dumpling.
Kind of take a little time, and it take water for it. Tenderize the grains them in it.
That is it.
Yeah, so we add it like this. Yeah, make it.
So we are the rooster noble
No, we
people.
can't make the rooster come out I know it. So, alright, see there?
Yeah,
All
that's
out.
in a rooster noble, you know, my people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So you know, in the next 5, 7, 8, 10 minutes, food ready?
My people.
Yeah,
Big
man.
look rich and healthy. Nah,
Could
tell
the people,
lie.
could they look at that no, man?
Big look rich and healthy.
Colours in the pot.
Yeah,
And then the
man.
Colours TV we are talking. Put the colours in our pot. And then the Colours TV, people, go here. Oh, we are telling you what go on. It's a nice, it's a joy, people. Yeah, man. The Colours tell me what go on in our partner, man. Because I know you are checking in and that. Make sure you leave a comment, you know. I'll give you a silent view this time. Leave a comment. Tell me what go on for your pot. Yeah, so, see?
Blessed love for people. We're there, you know. Yeah, man. Thank you for the like, people. Thank you for the like.
Yeah, man, peeps. Alright. So people, we allow the pot make it go on. Get the cabbage cut. Alright. Checking back on the pot, come on for the fire, peeps. Alright. Sharing time, people. We are going to share now, so chef are going to share. And I'm going to taste it and tell. If you tell me the truth, if you don't taste, going to burn me out and tell me, you know. Alright. You see that, people? See that good there? Look at that. Wow. What a beauty. So 2 spoons we have, people.
Yeah, man, because 1 spoon.
No,
So your
right.
uncle, you can come back, you know, feel free, you know. Uncle, feel free to come back, you know. Just give him time. Only thing you
It's the
have
same place why I go and feed that in.
Alright,
Alright.
Well, nice. Kick.
yeah.
Alright. Yeah, tell you, man.
Yeah, man, good man.
Check out Yardman Chef TV, you don't know.
Alright, my people, check in for the sip. You saw sip thick, people. Yeah, man, in general, I will get in it, you know. I go on, my father.
Yeah, me say.
Alright.
Say the people, them are
Alright. I'm saying no salt in there, no true?
No salt, no salt.
Alright.
Jamaica not them best TV. Shout out. Jamaica not them best TV. Shout out to Yardman Chef TV.
Yardman Chef TV, whoever check in, you know, bro. Remember, good, you know, enough comment no left, you know, man. Big up yourself, you know, bro. Sip with your bait, you know, bro. Bad sip, you know. People see, man, I get the first cup here, you know. And we back again. You mean? Refill. Refill the general, man.
Feel free to come back, man.
Refill the general, away, I say, man.
Yes, Yardman Chef TV. Big up, respect. Patrice, one love. That is it in our family. One team, you know. Yeah, man. Big up Yardman Chef TV. Big up keep on God for life. Be honest with family. Yeah, man, you know. Enough love and respect, be honest.
Oh, yeah, me.
Yeah, man.
Nice people.
If you can get the life a like, and you come
Bro, man, I come to feel, man.
that thumbs up. And rest of the people, this is good.
Bro, man, I tell you what I go on. Tell me what I go on. Tell me honest truth. Not lie. Not tell me not lie. And if you not taste good, it not taste good. And I tell you what I go on. What you go on? Alright, my people. So the chef do a good job, my peeps. Everybody happy.
Healthy.
Yeah, man, the chef do a good job, my
Yes,
people.
Yardman Chef.
Yeah, man, you're united, you know, you have to get your
Alright,
cup,
see
you
me
know.
again. People right now. Get me a get in a mind. People.
Now a little spoon to
Yeah.
protect my cup.
Nice. Coconut rich in it, people. Rich.
Yardman chef TV, man.
Yeah.
Man, much love. Patrick,
Cabbage.
yeah, man, me love all
Carrot,
the broccoli,
Irish,
you know.
renta yam, pepper, scallion thyme. Yeah man, everything in
All
there.
the coconut, all your fresh bowl.
Come in,